Hello. They say knowledge is power, and it's true, but it's only powerful if you can make the most of it. Schools tend to have a large amount of assessment data. While it's relatively easy to collect assessment data, interpreting it can be harder. Data is useful on different levels and is a vital tool when monitoring and shaping the future teaching of individuals or groups. As well as it being there to help you prepare, it's also available for whole school accountability and reporting. When you know what you're looking for and how best to break the data down, the sooner you can use it to full effect. So here are our tips on how to make the most of your assessment data. Rationalize data you need to make sure it meets your needs. The purpose and use of data needs to be clear, relevant to the intended audience, and in line with school values and aims. Look to the future. Look not only at present attainment, but at pupils' rates of development as they move through the school, and use this insight to shape classroom practice. Be adaptable. Question-level analysis data allows teachers to identify areas of strength and specific questions or whole topic areas that cause difficulty for pupils, allowing you to tailor support appropriately. Notice the details. If data for a particular pupil or class is not what you expected, think about contextual factors that may explain the differences. For example, the impact of age relative to their peers is particularly relevant for young children. And lastly, appreciate the averages. Remember that in a small school, class or year group, individual pupils can have a disproportionate impact on percentages. Have you found an effective use for your assessment data? Use the comment section below to share your experience. Visit NFER's Assessment Hub for more useful assessment insights.